We are going to download Visual Studio Code on Windows 10. Open Google in Chrome browser, then type VS Code download. Click on first link. Click on Download for Windows. Now wait for download full setup. Open the file download location. Now open the download file for installation. Click on I accept the agreement and click Next. Click Next. Now installation process start. Wait for complete installation. Click Finish your Visual Studio Code and it is ready to use. Thanks for watching videos and follow me for more.